In the Volta region, Hohoe Township asphalt routes now complement the exciting landscape, reinforcing the town's long-held reputation as a commercial hub.
The roads were not in good conditions. Sometimes when it rains, the roads are filled with potholes. And so we find it difficult to come to school. But now when the government help us with good roads, it has been an opportunity for us to come to school early. And when we are walking on the road, we feel comfortable.
Almost 30-something years. So, because of government overfees a monami, so as at now, a vobitel over a more of a tazio over. But the station town, maybe have a bohumela, tazio mavao. But as at now, government fees a monamila, tazio, a vobete business are flowing.
For the past 10 years, the roads are very, very bad. But now, this 2020, the roads are corrected, and then now it's asphalt everywhere. We thank God, and then we thank the President a lot for doing that. Now the town is looking like America. We are living in America now.